Let me show the testing of Brun 1200 shortwave power amplifier with the heat pipes cooling system and MRF1K50 LD master transistor inside. The drain voltage will be supplied by flat pack 2, 53 volts. This is the 50 ohms dummy with the directional coupler for spectrum analyzer. And this is the 25 ohms dummy. Power meter is Bird 43 with element for 2500 watts on shortwave bands, 2.5 kilowatt full scale. The driver is the IC transceiver, which controls the band switching by automatic band decoder. Internal power meter is calibrated according to Bird on 20 meters. Let me show. 1000 watts, almost 1000 watts. Okay, but it is made to be driven with 70 to 75 watts. Let me show on 75. Okay, I will show operation starting from 160 meters, and you will see harmonics on output too. Now I will change the stop frequency to make it a little bit higher. Okay, next band is 17 meters. And 6 meters. And then some CW manipulation. This is B. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Oh. Okay, now let me return to 20 meters. Now I will replace the 50 ohms dummy by 21 or 25. If I start to transmit, highest double air protection is enabled. I have to switch off 50 volts power supply to reset it. Meanwhile, I will decrease the drawing power, say to close to 30 watts. As you see, at half of power, amplifier can operate, but if I raise input, the protection will be enabled. Okay, now I will return the 50 ohms dummy. Okay, it works. If I occasionally drive with the full power from transceiver, high power protection will be enabled. Once again, I have to switch off the 50 volts, return the drives to close to 70 watts. Okay, that's all.